This blizzard is merciless. Negative 60 degrees and rising. Look, a snow leopard. She's down and hurt.
She's injured and freezing. We have to help her.
We do this as a team. She won't survive out there.
Easy, girl. We're not here to harm you.
Lena.
She's trusting us a little. We have to move fast.
We'll carry her together. She's almost there.
Almost home. Hold on, beautiful.
Inside now. Warmth first.
Yeah.
She's safe now. We'll get her through this together.
She's thawing out. Good sign.
She's calmer now. She trusts us a little.
Drink slow. You need every drop.
She's eating. That's a good sign.
Not deep. We can fix this.
There, that should help.
She's relaxing. She knows we're not a threat.
Look at her eyes. She's thanking us.
She's staying warmer. That's progress.
More layers. She needs all the warmth we can give tonight.
She's looking right at us. She knows we're here for her.
She's eating from your hand. That's huge trust. She's eating from your hand. That's huge trust.
She's starting to groom. She feels safe enough.
Her breathing's better. The warmth is helping.
She's moving the leg. It's healing already.
We did it. She's gonna make it through the night.
On.
Listen. She's purring. She feels safe with us.
On.
Listen. She's purring. She feels safe with us.
We did it. She's gonna make it through the night.
She's purring louder. The warmth and food are working.
Look at her, sleeping like she belongs here. She took it from my hand. And she really trusts us.
Look at that.
Legs moving better already.
She's guarding us now, like we're her pack.
She's dreaming. Safe dreams.